Hi everyone, Pete here. Today I'm going to show you how to use the disablements feature on the LogiFire 4118 panel. Let's dive in. First, enter the panel menu by navigating to System, then Maintenance, and finally Disablements. The Disablements menu provides quick access to zones and devices for enabling or disabling. You can disable or enable individual devices per loop or select zone to see devices per loop in the selected zone. There's an additional grid view menu for zones and devices, making it easy to review the addresses of attached devices. By selecting an option, you'll be shown the devices where you can choose to disable. Green indicates enabled, while yellow indicates disabled. In the Outputs tab, you can disable sounders, fire brigade relay, fire protection relay, fault relay, and programmable relays 1 to 4. Don't forget to select the Save tab after changing options to ensure the changes are applied. And that's how you use the disablements feature on the LogiFire 118 panel. Thanks for watching and happy programming.